Is it time to buy or sell Micron stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Micron. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 1st of October, 2024. And now, we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 25th of September, 2024, our system has ranked Micron as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.57. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a gain of 4.74%. This corresponds to an average return of 0.95% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock currently sits in the midst of a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating further decreases are likely. The present 3-month trend indicates a potential decrease of approximately 26% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from a decline of 43% to a decrease of just over 20%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests an increase of around 40% over the next year, with potential returns between approximately 25% and 134%. This implies a future price range of between $125 and $135 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Micron features the headline, "Red Day on Tuesday for Micron stock after losing 3.28%. The Micron stock price declined by 3.28% on the most recent trading day, Tuesday, the 1st of October, 2024, dropping from $103.71 to $100.31. This marks the third consecutive day of decline. During the last trading session, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 5.32%, with a low of $98.94 and a high of $104.20. Notably, the price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 13.05% over the past 2 weeks. There was a decrease in trading volume on the last day, which aligned with the stock's decline, a positive sign, as volume typically follows stock movement. On the last day, the trading volume decreased by 5 million shares, with a total of 34 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $3.38 billion. In the last 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $157.54, while the lowest price was $63.88. Currently, the stock price sits 36.33%, or $57.23, below the 52-week high of $157.54, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. Micron Technology has recently experienced a significant rise in its stock price, driven by robust earnings for the fourth quarter that nearly doubled compared to the previous year. This growth was largely due to the surging demand for artificial intelligence. The impressive results caught many analysts off guard, particularly because they had lowered their expectations right before the earnings report, which initially led to a decline in shares. However, following the earnings announcement, Micron's stock rebounded, experiencing an increase of 8%. Analysts remain optimistic about Micron's prospects, with Cantor Fitzgerald maintaining an overweight rating and establishing a price target of $150. They highlight the company's potential for profit driven by high-margin products and expanding opportunities in the AI market. Moreover, management anticipates a favorable market environment by the year 2025, predicting a rise in demand alongside a decrease in supply, which could enhance pricing dynamics. Additionally, Micron and other leading chip manufacturers are exploring opportunities in India, as the country plans to produce its first chip within the next 2 years. This expands Micron's market presence and strategic position. However, caution is advised due to concerns about a potential oversupply in high-bandwidth memory chips, indicating that investors may prefer to hold their positions rather than make aggressive purchases at this time. While short-term fluctuations may arise from day trading activities, the long-term outlook for Micron remains positive, suggesting sustainable growth potential. This complex situation, characterized by immediate selling pressure offset by strong fundamentals, implies that Micron's stock may continue to navigate volatility while positioning itself for long-term gains. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 1st of October, 2024, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald assigned MU an overweight rating, accompanied by a hold action. On Friday, the 27th of September, 2024, Bernstein rated MU as outperform, also with a hold action. On Thursday, the 26th of September, 2024, Piper Sandler rated MU as overweight with a hold action. On the same day, Wedbush assigned MU an outperform rating, along with a hold action. Additionally, on Thursday, the 26th of September, 2024, Susquehanna rated MU as positive, also with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Micron stock. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio to be neutral, as well as the price-to-book ratio. However, for return on investment, the analysts have provided a buy rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for Micron. Micron stock currently presents a sell signal based on the short-term moving average. Conversely, there is a buy signal indicated by the long-term average. Since the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average, the overall outlook for the stock is positive, suggesting a general buy signal. Should the stock gain further, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $100.68. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the long-term average at around $96.35. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a drop below the long-term average will result in a sell signal. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Monday, the 9th of September, 2024, and since then, the stock has risen by 16.27%. Continued upward movement is expected until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which could influence short-term developments. Notably, trading volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which lowers the overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots produced a buy signal 17 days ago. Bollinger generated a buy signal 4 days ago. The short-term moving average issued a sell signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average provided a buy signal 6 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 4 days ago. In examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average issued a buy signal 8 days ago. The long-term moving average produced a sell signal 55 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 45 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop-loss levels for Micron. Micron shows support from accumulated volume at $95.77. This level could present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is likely when this support is tested. The stock tends to experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating a high level of volatility. With a wide prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, Micron is categorized as high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $5.26 between its high and low, which translates to a change of 5.32%. In the past week, the daily average volatility has been 4.50%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Micron, let's briefly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price relative to its earnings per share. An extremely high PE ratio suggests that the stock may be overvalued. However, it's not unusual for technology companies or those with significant market potential to exhibit such high ratios. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 18th of December, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $1.60. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Micron. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Micron is at $103.71. If you do not own any shares, you might consider waiting for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a consideration for swing trading. On the downside, Micron faces its first support level at $95.77. If this support level holds, it may present a good entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for Micron from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 26th of September, 2024, April S. Arzin conducted an insider sale of 4,890 shares of common stock. On the 8th of August, 2024, Sanjay Mehrotra executed an insider sale of 14,531 shares of common stock. On the 19th of July, 2024, Scott R. Allen made an insider purchase of 269 shares of common stock. On the 19th of July, 2024, Scott R. Allen also conducted an insider sale of 137 shares of common stock. On the same day, Scott R. Allen performed another insider sale of 269 shares of restricted stock units. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 51.628. Overall, insiders purchased 202,408 shares and sold 641,350 shares in the last 100 trades. We recommend setting a stop loss at 95.80, which represents a decrease of 4.5%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, contributing to its high risk. Notably, a buy signal was identified from a pivot bottom observed 16 days ago. Is Micron stock a good buy? There are several positive short-term signals present. Although the stock is currently experiencing a downward trend, we believe that the current price level may represent a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for the stock to perform well in the near future. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 2nd of October, we anticipate that Micron will open up 84 cents and begin trading at $101.15. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Your investment choices should not rely solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.